Hello everyone. In this lesson we'll derive the ratio of the total heating power delivered to a house to the heat energy supplied from the high temperature source in an ideal combined heat engine heat pump system. So we begin by writing the efficiency of the ideal heat engine as eta equals 1 minus TL1 over TH. So this relates the work output W to the heat output QH1 by W equals QH1 of 1 minus TL1 over TH. Next, the heat pump uses this work to transfer heat from the ambient environment to the house. For an ideal heat pump, the coefficient of performance is COPHP equals T room over T room minus T amp. Therefore, QH2 equals W times T room divided by T room minus T amp. The total heat delivered to the house is the sum of the heat